Hey you guys, so today is Music Monday, and so for Music Monday I have a fun and easy idea for you guys to do at home with your families. You might have a few of these laying around after this weekend, I don't know, I did. So we're gonna make some fun music shakers with them. I got 2 bowls here for the things to go inside our shaker. I've got some beans and I've got some corn kernels. So the first thing you're gonna do is take your empty container. Now you have a few options. If you don't have these laying around, you can actually use a paper towel or a toilet paper holder, and you could, or the inner ring, and you could tape the ends of those to enclose them and make a shaker that way. You could do it with a stiff piece of paper, so you have a few options. Anyway, what you're gonna do once you got your shaker for the outside, you're going to scoop up some of your shaker inside. So I've got the beans inside of my little plastic egg here. You can hear it. It might sound a little different, I'm hoping, than the corn kernels here. Do the same thing. Scoop them up, fill it up, close it up, and let's give it a test. Oh, it does sound different. Hear that? All right, cool. Now, here's the thing you don't want to have happen when you fill these up, and that's that they spill. So get some tape. I just have some very plain masking tape here, but you could also use colorful washi tape or painter's tape or even Scotch tape, which is the clear kind. You're going to cover up this little line where I closed up my little plastic egg here. So here's part of it, and I think I need a much bigger piece to cover the whole thing. Oops, I just tore it. Will Hyde's having a hard time here. All right, that's probably good enough. See, I've wrapped it all the way around, and you could even color it. You could put paint on it. You could use markers on it and make it real decorative if you wanted to. And then here's enough, I think, for my orange one here. Let's see, all the way around. So it's totally enclosed so that when you shake it, it doesn't wind up all over the floor. All right, that's how that one looks. That's how that one looks. And now here's the most important part. Once you have your little shakers made, you're ready to sing a song. So I got one for you that goes right with this activity. We're gonna shake, shake, shake our sillies out. Shake, shake, shake our sillies out. Shake, shake, shake our sillies out and wiggle our waggles away. One more time. Shake, shake, shake our sillies out. Shake, shake, shake our sillies out. Shake, shake, shake our sillies out and wiggle our waggles away. Happy Music Monday during the week of the young child. Enjoy all of today dancing, moving, singing with your families. Miss you guys. Bye.